Thank you for your undivided attention. Good morning. It's been a while. And today's video, we're going to do a what I eat in a day. It is the morning. I've gone for my 5 a.m. walk and I showered and I got hungry. So here we go. Take my vitamins every morning. Just take a probiotic. So take evening primrose oil. Then as my little treat, I also take hair, skin, and nails. So the vitamins I try to take every morning. If I could suggest one, I would definitely suggest taking a probiotic because they're just so good. You take them. Hold on. I forgot I had the gummies. My gummies are so good. See you in a second. I already pre-measured everything, so I have a cup of almond milk and I'm just gonna pour that in. Then I measured out 2 teaspoons of monk fruit, so I'll just put that in there. And then a whole avocado is gonna get scooped in there. Kourtney Kardashian recipe. I made it last week and I really liked it. I did not think I was gonna like it, however, but it was good. I really, really liked it. It just was just super good, and it was creamy and yum. So I'm adding a couple things this time. I already tracked it, so not the best way, but I don't want to get a spoon. So I have a whole avocado there. I'm just gonna add a little bit of date syrup. You could also put cocoa. I almost forgot. So Kourtney Kardashian doesn't do this, I think, but I'm going to do it because I struggle eating enough protein. I can eat carbs all day, protein, if you're gonna do a scoop. It has collagen, protein. I already tracked all this because I'm trying to slim down. This is the heaviest I've ever been, so yeah, tracking macros for now. So we're just gonna put this in the blender and we have breakfast, so come on. I put Adam on top of my Breville so he can chill out. So Adam, is that a better spot for you? I know it is for me. Okay, let's start it. I put a little bit too much date syrup. I'm gonna put some cocoa in there because it looks kind of brown. And I just keep on adding to it because this is how I cook. So I'm gonna add some local honey that I have in my pantry. Thank you for your undivided attention. I it because that is how I cook. Pour it into a cup. I just put a little bit of raw pollen. So that's what my breakfast looks like.
Cause I know that my dreams come alive in the love that you promised to me. I'll keep singing your praise and you know I believe. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone.
This is gonna fill me up for a long time, so I'm gonna have a late lunch. So see you at lunch.
But I'm never alone now.
It's 3 o'clock and I'm still not hungry. I've only had my breakfast, but I'm gonna eat a little something because I'm headed to the gym soon. And my blood sugar tends to drop, especially when I'm working out. This last weekend was Labor Day, so went down to Dallas for the weekend, basically the whole weekend till Monday. And wow, in Dallas I found a gluten-free bakery, so I'm gonna have some gluten-free hot dogs and I'm super excited about it. I buy the Oscar Mayer lean beef, but the ones that aren't lean are freaking amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna air fry it, but before I put it in the air fryer, I'm just gonna make some slits. so it's sliced. Let's go. Okay, so I have the Breville preheated. I'm just going to put this in. I'm gonna put that one further away. So I'm gonna close it and it's just gonna cook. I have it on air fry. Hot dog ready. That cute little place in Dallas. It's like they have a couple locations. I think I saw 3. The one I went to in Uptown. Okay, so I put it in for a little bit longer. Do a horseradish. I'm gonna just put some horseradish and some Dijon mustard. I usually just put mayonnaise. And I always eat my hot dogs with sauerkraut. Hot dog ready. Looks crazy. Never going to cut it like that again. But yeah, ready. I really don't feel like getting a plate and dirtying it. Version of like white bread. And yeah, it's like it's kind of spot on, but that sour aftertaste is kind of strange. This is my really late lunch. See you for dinner. It's gonna be my little snack along with a hot dog that I just ate. So freaking good. They taste like Mexico in a bag. So amazing and delicious. Life-changing. Like seriously, life-changing. Try them. I figured that today I would include a small little grocery haul because I mean I went to the grocery store after I worked out. This is what I got. It wasn't a crazy grocery trip because I had a good amount of stuff in the fridge. I just got some stuff that I wanted and things that would help me like use up some of the stuff I have. And starting off with, I got myself a little wine and cider because whenever people come over, I don't really drink or like ever. But I figured why not just have it, even if I have it for like 6 months and then I finally use it, at least it's there. Got Porch Swing Sweet Red Reserve, which is my favorite. I'm trying to get to dry wines, so that's a baby step. And then I have a hard cider here, and I got the Easy Apple, which is less sweet. Trying to be a little bit healthier, cleaner. And then lately this has been my essential arugula. And then I got some yuca so I can make fries. I got some hair ties. I got a coconut, and then I got a dragon fruit, some peaches, smoked sausage that my sister gets for barbecues, and I just it's my favorite thing ever. Then I got cilantro and parsley for some falafels that I'm planning to do. Every time I go to the grocery store, I make sure I at least buy one thing that I've never bought before. This time I got a Chobani Greek yogurt mango little yogurt drink. They had a sale going on, so got 3 of those. I got some baking soda. I got some Vegenaise because I ran out of mayo. I try to eliminate dairy as much as possible, so got that. Got some white pepper. I got some poppy seeds. And then I got some rice paper. And I guess that's it. So that's all I got. Yeah. I put this away and then get dinner. I have no idea what I'm gonna eat for dinner because, oh, yes I did, because I tracked it. So this is my dinner. I'm just gonna put it in a baking sheet and then cook it up. This is my dinner to finish off my video. I have the gluten-free cheese bread, Applegate chicken nuggets, and then over here I made a little sauce of Viennese and my favorite dressing for salads, Southwest Chipotle Ranch. Just to finish off the video, I'm ending my day with I think like 130 calories left. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're not new and you haven't, go and click the subscribe button. See you next time. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Sit down. If you're gonna be here, sit down, sir. Sit. And hot dog juices. Just to finish off. So I just have some local. Excuse me. Adam, you're showing your butt. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's see what else. Thank you for staying to the end.